Hi, my name is Kelly, and I'm from the Management Study Guide's content team. In this course, we will talk about advanced visual merchandising and store design in detail. Prerequisite. Before going through this course, it is highly recommended that you first go through the course titled Basics of Visual Merchandising and Store Design to get a basic understanding of the following concepts. What is visual merchandising? Elements of visual merchandising. Relation between visual merchandising and store layout. Types of store layouts. Elements of exterior and interior store design. Considerations for store interior design. Role of space management in VMD and store design. Use of VMD and store design to influence consumer behavior. You have understood that visual merchandising and store design are the crucial elements of a good retail store, which can lead to a happy and comfortable shopping experience for its customers. Therefore, VMD and store design are an important aspect which are crucial to the success of a retail store, as it helps to positively influence the consumer's buying behavior and also helps create a good image of the store and provide a unique, comfortable, and happy shopping experience for its consumers. However, there are various aspects that have to be carefully studied and understood to get a good grasp of VMD and store design. It's important that you should understand the basic principles of design that have to be followed while planning and creating a display. Only when you have a good understanding of the various aspects of VMD and store design can you make your retail store successful. Let's learn about advanced visual merchandising and store design in detail. Let's go through the course objectives. Explain the principles of design used in display. Explain what is balance. Describe the types of balance. Explain the strategies to create emphasis in displays. Explain what is proportion. Describe ways in which proportion is achieved. Explain what is rhythm. Describe strategies to create rhythm in displays. Explain the various category of colors. Explain what is a color wheel. Describe the various color schemes. Describe the types of lighting used in store illumination. Explain what is harmony. Describe the various forms of harmony. Describe the common window display errors. The primary principles of design used in display include the following: balance, emphasis, proportion, rhythm, color, lighting, harmony. Let's look at each one of them in detail. Balance means the harmonious arrangement or relation of parts or elements within a whole as in a design. Hence, balance involves the equilibrium and distribution of weight of elements evenly between two sides of a display. Balance is based on a theory of equals. Strategies to create emphasis in displays. There are various strategies that you can use to create emphasis in your display, such as the following. Number 1, intensity. Number 2, optical center. Number 3, left to right movement. Number 4, size. Number 5, texture. Let's look at each one of them in detail. Number 5, texture. By the use of elements of varying textures that show a change in texture either from small patterns to larger patterns or from smoothness to roughness, etc. As shown in the given image, the focal point is on the left of the display on the pattern with lesser number of dots. Then, the eye movement occurs from left to right or from the pattern with lesser number of dots to increasing intensity of dots. The various ways in which proportion is achieved is as follows: proportion in a pyramid, proportion in steps, proportion in repetition. Let's look at each one of them in detail. Flow. You can achieve a rhythm in your display by creating a flow through the display. You could create this flow by repeating either objects or shapes, which may be placed at various positions or places. There are two main categories of colors, as follows: warm colors, Cool colors. Let's look at each one of them in detail. The given image shows the color wheel. In order to make a harmonious display, there are 3 forms of harmony that must be in agreement in a display. The 3 forms of harmony are functional, structural, decorative harmony. Let's look at each one of them in detail. There are many common errors that retailers make in window displays, such as the following. Number 1, large number of merchandise. Number 2, very less merchandise. Number 3, missing fundamental theme. Number 4, large number of props. Number 5, poor selection of props. Number 6, infrequent changing of displays. Number 7, longer downtime for changing a display. Number 8, limited or no display expenses. Number 9, lacking finer details. Let's now look at each one of them in detail. This is just a demo of the complete course. With every course, you get to view the course content online, download the PowerPoint presentation, and get the course completion certificate. With new courses added regularly, we offer a continuous learning platform. Join our premium membership plan and get access to unlimited courses. All of our plans are backed up by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you are not completely satisfied, we'll give you a full refund. We are so confident that you'll enjoy the membership that we're willing to let you try at our risk, not yours.